Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's menu we have curried chicken, white rice, fried plantain, steamed veggies. Here are the ingredients that we will be using today. First, make we blaze up some fire under the pot, yeah? Pour a little oil in it. Add some well nice beta pack curry. We're going to let the curry powder burn just a little bit. Add some garlic and stir. Add that nicely seasoned curry chicken and mix up everything. Pour just a little bit of boiling water in it. Cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so we're come check back on the curry now. Stir him up a little bit again. Add a little more boiling water. The thing is, you don't want to drown the chicken in water, so that is why I take time and just add it little by little. That way you can control it when you have this long pot of curry water. Okay, let's peel our Irish potatoes and carrots for the curry pot. Clean up, wash them, get the cutting board, and it's time to get to cutting. Cut them in cubes, guys. Check out my curry. Pot a bubble the dough. Make we add in the vegetables. stir and add a little bit more hot water and cover him back. Wash rice time. I know not everybody wash rice, but we Jamaicans, well, we Caribbean people, yeah, we like to wash rice. Okay, add the rice to some hot water. Check pan Mr. Curry and make us see what I'm go on with. Yeah, him go on. So you know we add a little nice time. Make him go and simmer down. So I went ahead and cut up some of my beloved sweet peppers and onions. And me I go add them in. And let's say it with me. Stir, stir, stir. When you realize me love sweet pepper, love it. It makes your food beautiful. You know, add color, add a little something, and not to mention the flavor. Taste as you go and add in the little spice, whatever you need. I added some salt and some pimento powder. Okay, so in case you all are wondering, then how she says she a Jamaican and she not can the pot with pepper. Well, I have 2 little humans that eat out of my pot, so I just can't. Really can't can it, and trust me, things like this, like a nice curry with enough pepper, I miss it, but it's worth it. Yeah, curry, you that look good. You're not ready for the road yet. Go and cook though. Add some black pepper. That's as far as me can go. Rice. Yeah, go on, man. Planting time. This right here, we eat it every single day. What me say? Love, love, love. Woo! No man steam. If I did one facial, it'd give me would even too bad. But you just go like you want burn off my face, so. Yeah. Yeah, come. Rice done cook. And it's frying time. Watch out for your fingers. beautiful and golden. Now here is the finished product. Guys, this curry is knock it out the park, busting through the window and doors, kicking with flavor. Yeah. By the way, comment down below and let me know, like, if you have a specific day that you like to eat curry chicken. Mine is Saturday, and that's because me are the only Jamaican woman know when I like soup. But you know, if me feel feet during the week, then you don't know, say both have to go run. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are keeping safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you. And I want to let you all know, just remember that all things work together for good for them that loves the Lord and are called according to his purpose. God bless you. Bye.